Hey, what's up, guys? So guess what I found at the Home Depot today? You won't believe it. I want you guys to come with me. Turn it around so you can see we're getting closer and closer and closer. Right now we're about to enter the front door of Home Depot. So this is where I'm at. They have drones here, drones. Can you believe this? Drones at Home Depot, that's drones at Home Depot. I can't believe it. Anything is possible. Hey guys, so I'm back at my vehicle right now. The people who are beginners, that's where you should start at. You should start at a drone that's least expensive, like that one, and then work your way on up. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Drone life, drone life. So let's fly. Oh yeah, one more thing. Don't forget to go get my new book. I'll talk to you guys later. On to the next mission. Peace.